Hi, I'm Faye with Comfort Master. Are you 100% confident that your heat pump or air conditioner will keep you cool this summer without big repair bills or high energy bills? If you say, well, I don't know, then we have a great pre-summer offer to help you jump off the sidelines and get cool with Comfort Master. Wouldn't you love to know you could call someone for 5 years if a problem arose and not have to pay a penny for any of those repairs? If you could buy a car or truck with that option, no matter how many miles you drove it, even if that was 1,000,000 miles, I bet you would run and not walk to buy that vehicle. Well, that is what you can do by selecting a new Trane system that has a complimentary 5-year warranty, and with a small additional investment, you can double that labor warranty to 10 years. Trane already covers the parts for 10 years, and you can add the labor to it. What do you have to lose in choosing a Trane system? Give us a call and be cool with Comfort Master, not only for this summer, but for many summers.